Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place, and I have a fun project for you to do. It's a craft project, and it's a floral pen. And this pen is very easy to make, and it makes a great gift for teachers, for family members. You can make pretty pens for bridal registries and things like that. And I'm going to show you how to do it using items purchased from the dollar store. Okay, so the first thing I did is I purchased some flowers at the dollar store. And they're just little bunches like this. You see them all the time at your dollar store. And you can get any kind of flowers that you like. I also purchased some curled ribbon. It's already curled for me, so I don't have to do anything to it. Floral tape can be found in a dollar store, and that's where I bought this. And I am using my handy dandy glue gun to attach all of this together. So I also bought a 10 pack of pens. So these are the pens that I like to use. They're gray and they're black ink pens. They have a flat top here, so I like that. It's nice and flat on both sides, so it's easy to work with. Okay, you can use any kind of pens you want, but this is the ones that I prefer. They're just easy for me to work with, and they pretty much will match anything that I do. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to remove this top. Okay, and I took one of my flowers off of here. You could slide these right off, and then I just snipped a little piece of the end off to make it flat. And then what I want to do is I want to put some hot glue on my pen. So as my pen heats up, my hot glue is coming out. I'm just going to add some hot glue to my tip. Here we go. Okay, so I got a lot of hot glue on there. And while it's hot, you just want to take the other end and just stick it on to your pen. Okay? You're just going to hold that in place. Wait for it to dry. You can give it a little blow if you want, just to cool it quicker. And while it's sitting there, you can even add more glue, just to make sure that it stays secure in place. So that's your first step. So the glue guns usually work really quick. I'm just going to put this down a second just to give it a little push and add a little more glue to it. So we're going to cover that up, so glue away. Alright, so just adding a little more glue. Okay. And just let that cool down a bit. So as you can see, it's already on there, but I'm just giving it time to cool down. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is you want to attach your floral tape. So the floral tape is very flexible and easy to work with. And while you may have a little bit of warm glue left there, you just want to attach a little piece of floral tape as close to the flower as you possibly can. And I'm just going to put a little glue there just to give it a little help. I'm just going to put a little dab of glue there. Okay. Make sure I got my floral tape on the correct way. And I'm just going to put that floral tape on there, and I'm just going to wrap around the top. Okay, holding my flower in place. Make sure my flower's secure. And we're going to wrap the top. And just bring it all the way down, turning as we go. And don't worry if the flower falls off, because we can just glue it back on. It's not a big deal. Alright, so we're just covering the pen to make it look like the petal of the flower. And you don't want to go all the way down, because you have to leave room to put the top back on the pen. So I'm going to go down a little bit more. If you can see on this pen, there's like a darker area and then a lighter area. So I'm just going to go to the tip of that darker area. Okay, so now when I get to that part, I'm going to snip my tape put a little dab of glue. Okay. And I'm just going to secure it. All right, so now we have that secure. And we're just going to re-secure the flower on top. Make sure that's all good. All right, so now even if you have glue showing on top here, like I do, you can cover that up with ribbons. So don't even worry about it. But I mean, even already we have a pretty little pen that we can write with, but we're not done yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm just securing a little bit more glue and onto the pen just to hold the flower in place. Let me get my glue. My glue stick is not in properly. Okay, now I can do it. So I'm just adding a little more glue under there. And I'm just going to hold my flower down. Hold it in place. Some pens have a bottom that you can remove. This one didn't. But if you have those, you can actually keep the stem longer and remove the bottom of the pen and just tuck the pen right into the bottom. Those work really, really well. So, all right, so let's see. Get that on there, hold it in place. And I can just secure it with another piece of tape. We can go around that again to secure it into place. So it's a quick and easy project for you to do. Okay, so now once we have our flower securely on the pen and dry, we can start adding our ribbon. And you can use any kind of ribbon. I mean, you don't have to buy the curling ribbon. You can actually just buy any ribbon. If you have a bride, you can actually just get ribbon made with their name and their wedding date on it and, you know, make these pens. That would be a great gift for your guests. Something useful that they can use, and maybe give them that with a little journal or something. So that would be a really cute idea too. So, and then, you know, you just add your little ribbon at the end, and that's it. You have a really cute pen design that you can give as a gift. And like I said, they're really adorable, really simple, easy to make. Just a pen, ribbon, and flowers, a little glue, and a little floral tape, and you have yourself an adorable gift that it's very useful. And I'm sure the person who receives it will love. I hope you enjoyed my quick tutorial. If you like this, I have more ideas coming up. Just subscribe on the button below. And I'm going to have some holiday pens coming up, so be sure to watch for those as well. Have a great day.